Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify brand color tokens with Shopify Theme Editor, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify brand color tokens with the Shopify Theme Editor, first, log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the online store section on the left-hand menu. Click on Themes to access your current theme settings. Find the theme you want to edit and click on the Customize button. This will open the theme editor in a new window. Once the theme editor is open, look for the section that relates to colors. This section might be labeled as colors or theme settings, depending on your theme. Review the color settings to check if the brand color tokens are listed. Identify each color token and note its corresponding hex code or name. To verify the accuracy of these tokens, compare them with your brand's official color palette. If your brand palette is stored in a document or a color picking tool, refer to that for consistency. For any discrepancies, you can directly input the correct hex codes into the theme settings. Click on the color swatch next to each token to open the color picker. You can enter the hex code manually or adjust the color using the slider. After making changes, observe the live preview in the theme editor to see how it affects your store's appearance. Once satisfied with the adjustments, click the Save button to apply the changes. Now, your brand color token should be verified and correctly reflected in your Shopify store design. Finally, preview your store to ensure everything looks cohesive and aligns with your brand identity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.